Why rent when you can buy? Spacious 3-bedroom 1.5 baths duplex with private backyard and no association dues. Lovely kitchen with white cabinets and eating area. Good size laundry room leads into attached garage. Freshly painted brand new carpet on second level. New white 6-panel doors. Newer windows and roof. Private backyard with storage shed. Nothing to do but move in. Property is in great condition. Estate sale and conveying as is. Great location close to highways and shopping. What a fantastic opportunity for this lovely move-in ready home.